Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Google Business Profile to boost local SEO step by step clearly. To withdraw your Google Business Profile, start by logging into your Google Business Profile account. Locate the specific business you want to withdraw. Choose the Info tab from the menu. Scroll down to find the Close Business option. Click on Mark as permanently closed. A prompt will appear to confirm your decision. Read the information provided regarding the implications of closing your profile. If you're sure, click on Continue. Complete any additional fields if prompted. After submitting, your business will be marked as closed. Allow time for Google to update your profile status. Once closed, monitor online mentions of your business. Ensure all local citations reflect this new status. This withdrawal can help signal to Google that you're no longer operating. This signals a shift in your SEO strategy, focusing on relevant local keywords. Update your website to reflect any changes in your business model. Redirect local traffic to your new platform or services. Engage with local online communities to maintain visibility. Consider using Google Ads for targeted outreach during this transition. Regularly check your rankings and traffic analytics. This process can ultimately help refine your local SEO efforts over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.